guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. Well, today's recipe don't need any introduction, but let me say it. My friends, I'm going to be sharing a simple chicken biryani which can be prepared within 30 minutes and perfect for beginners. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a bowl, I'm taking 500 grams of biryani cut chicken with skin, half a cup of curd, half a teaspoon of salt. To that I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of biryani masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a small cup of chopped pudina, mint, a small cup of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix everything really well. Let this marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep it aside. In a pressure cooker, I am taking 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of ghee, 1 big onion sliced. Fry until fully brown. Usually onions are deep fried for biryanis, but I like it this way. Also, this step is totally optional, but guys, this takes 5 minutes and tastes excellent, and I would really recommend it. Takes another minute or two. This looks great. Transfer it to a plate. Perfect. Keep it aside. In the same cooker, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of ghee, a bay leaf or 2, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and star anise 2 each. Saute a little until aromatic. 2 medium-sized onions sliced, 2 green chilies slit. Fry until onions are soft. Now let's add marinated chicken. Mix well and let it cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. To this I'm adding soaked rice for 15 minutes, 1 cup. Mix gently so that the rice doesn't break. One cup of water, the same cup. A teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix. Some more chopped mint and coriander. The fried onions. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. Looks so great and so aromatic. I can't explain you guys. Mix gently and all done. Almost 1 pot you guys, and takes less than 30 minutes. Please try and let us know if you like it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. See ya.